Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I am Abdul Salam and my dear viewers, you are watching my videos now. I am at the front of Rajshahi College School and it is very nice and magnificent to look at. Our school garden is really fine. Our Jail Hussain sir, he is very active and he works all the time according to the instruction of our respectable head teacher, Dr. Muhammad Nurjahan Begum. With the inspiration and dictation, our Jail Hussain sir works in this garden and our students enjoy it very much because school campus is a really nice place, and if there is a garden the students become very happy. And now I am in the middle of this garden and it is very nice to look at, and the season is now dull because it is not the spring season or winter season. Normally the flowers are in bloom in the winter season, but here we have some bunches of flowers which are very nice to look at. They are really lovely and fantastic. So you can easily understand that our school garden is really fine and wonderful to look at. Our students enjoy, our teachers enjoy watching this garden so nicely, and we are really happy to get such kind of garden in the middle of our school campus. Actually, all the things are very nice, and we are here because of this school garden, and the students are also very happy. So my dear viewers, follow this video from the beginning to the end and try to enjoy the real feature of this garden. Assalamu alaikum.